Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I need to send this package to Ho Chi Minh City.
Would you like standard or express delivery?
How long does express delivery take?
Express takes 1 day, standard takes 3 days.
I'll choose express delivery. Can I track the package?
Yes, you'll get a tracking number.
Do I need to fill out a form?
Yes, please write the address and your phone number here.
How much does it cost?
It's 100,000 VND for express service.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards and cash.
Does the package need to be weighed?
Yes, please put it on the scale.
Is it okay to send fragile items?
Yes, but we recommend extra wrapping.
Can I buy a box or envelope here?
Of course, we have different sizes available.
Can you help me pack this?
Sure, I'll wrap it for you.
When will it arrive?
It should arrive tomorrow before noon.
Will someone need to sign for it?
Yes, the recipient will need to sign.
What if nobody is home?
We'll leave a notice and try again.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Here's your receipt and tracking number.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.